I found a new extremely viral niche. Look at this channel, AI Clash Zone. This dude makes millions of views, as you can see it. 6 million views, 3 million views, 1.9 million views, and as you can see, the videos post only a few months ago. And these videos are only created with AI. This dude prints a lot of cash, over 10k a month. I found also another channel called Minuscale. This dude have over 1.6 million views. And as you can see, this dude makes also a lot of views. And as you can see, this channel makes also over $20,000 a month. And yes, these channels are monetized, as you can see. And in this video I show you how you can make these viral AI videos in less than a few minutes completely with AI, and that's completely for free. So watch now the full video. First, go to ChatGPT. So first we need the video prompt. As you can see in this Google Docs file, I have a full video prompt. Copy the full video prompt here and paste it here into ChatGPT. Press enter. ChatGPT now generate you the image and the video prompts to different topics. And with this prompt we can now create these viral videos. By the way, you find the prompt in my free YouTube newsletter. Here you can now sign up for free, and then I can send you the prompt for free. Link to the newsletter in the description. So let's now start it with the first prompt. We now copy the first image prompt, and now we visit the tool thankyouai.com. This is a free tool. Sign up for free. In this video you can create images, videos, audios and lots of more. Now we first started with the image. Here select image, then paste in this text field the first image prompt from ChatGPT. Now we can select Nano Banana Pro or a lot of more options, but Nano Banana Pro is the best for creating images. Now press generate. You have now created the first picture with Thank You AI, and that looks very good. Download it here. Now copy the video prompt from the first scene here. And now here switch to the video creation section. Now copy the video prompt. So stay sure that the resolution is also by 700p. So now also upload the video. So set the duration to 9:16 and press generate. This is now the finished video that we generated with Thank You AI. Look at this. Now do the whole process with the next step. First generate the image with this image prompt, then download the image. Then copy this video prompt, upload your reference image that you created with this prompt, and now download the video. And do this whole process with the next 7 steps here. Now these are the videos that I created with Thank You AI and these prompts here. This looks very good and very realistic. We go now to CapCut or another free video editing software, and now uploading all the videos here. Now drag also the videos one by one after another into the timeline. That now gets over 1 minute, because now you can monetize your videos on platforms like TikTok, Instagram and YouTube Shorts. Now subscribe to my channel for more videos and tutorials about YouTube automation with AI. Like the video and don't forget also to subscribe to my free YouTube AI newsletter, because then I can send you the prompts from this video. Link to the newsletter in the description. Now watch here my next videos. See you there.